Hello everyone, my name is Walid Shihabi. I'm your physical science instructor this semester. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you to this course, which I hope you'll find it educational. Please feel free to contact me either via email or phone call anytime during the semester. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to the course design and to provide you with few hints in order to help you start with the first week assignment. We will start first with how to navigate through the course content and assignment. If you look at the left menu here, those are called navigation buttons. They are part of the navigation menu. One of the areas I would like you to explore is the syllabus and info area here. If you click on it, you'll see the course calendar. This is very important in order to keep track with the assignments you are completing and in order to be informed about what assignments are due during a certain week. So if you click on the calendar here, we go ahead and open the calendar. The calendar is divided into 4 columns. In the first column, it's the week number. We have 15 weeks actually. If you scroll down, it's 15 weeks during a regular semester, and it's 8 weeks during the summer semester. Then in the second column, you'll see the dates of each week. When does it start and when does it end? Usually it's the Monday to the Sunday of that week, with the exception of the last week. Sometime it ends by Saturday, especially in the summer semester. The third column is the pertinent reading materials. What are the reading materials pertinent to that week? For example, you see in week number 1, the reading material will be the instruction in week number 1 area, the syllabus, lesson number 1 notes, and chapter 1 in the text, section 1.1 to 1.3 in chapter 1. In the fourth column, you'll see the assignments and their due date. So, for example, the syllabus questions are due on Wednesday, and you are given the credit for each assignment. So this is how you can keep track with the due dates for each assignment. So the calendar is a very important document that you need to download, save, maybe print, or keep it handy in order to be able to keep track with the due date of each assignment. This is the major document, and always refer back to it for the due date. There are some important notes in the beginning here. Make sure you read them. Okay, I'll go ahead and close the calendar now. The second document here is the syllabus. Make sure to download it. On the first page of the syllabus, you'll see the date of the final exam, so make sure you stay aware of those dates. You have my office hours, phone number, email, and the best way to contact me is via email. Make sure you read the syllabus. On page 4 of the syllabus, you'll see the evaluation techniques, basically how your grade is going to be assigned. At the end of the semester, the total will be out of 900. Also, it will talk about each evaluation techniques and what it entails. That starts on page 5 and it continues to page 11. Some important remarks in the syllabus is how to do well in this course, starting on page 13 and 14. So make sure you read those hints. That hopefully will help you do well in this course. Another important table in the syllabus is on page 15. Where you see the correlation between the notes, the supplemental notes you have on Blackboard, and the textbook. For example, the mechanics unit number 1, which will be covered between first week and the fourth week. This unit corresponds to chapter 1 till 3 in the textbook, and you can see each lesson and the pertinent chapter in the textbook. For example, lesson number 1 is pertinent to chapter 1, lesson number 6 is pertinent to chapter 3, and so on. In the last 3 pages of the syllabus, there is the guideline for an extra credit paper or a lab makeup paper. If you missed a lab, you can make it up by writing a paper, or in case if you did not miss any lab and you would like to write an extra credit paper, you are welcome to do it. Okay, we'll close the syllabus now. Let's look at week number 1 assignments. We click on week number 1 tab here, and this will display week number 1 folder you see on the top. The first assignment is the syllabus. The way to submit the syllabus assignments, the first step is to click on the title here. If you click on it, you'll get a new window here. The first section of that window is the assignment information. Download the syllabus. Here beside number 3, click here to download the syllabus questions. So you click on it, click open, and then you'll have the syllabus questions. Make sure you write your name. So enable editing and go and write your name. Let's say Jane Doe, and make sure to use a different font. I would recommend using a red font, the red font here. So use the red font here in answering the questions and set the date, whatever the date is. And again, make sure you change the font to red with each answer. So you go ahead and answer the questions. And let's say you already completed all the answers here. Make sure when you answer the question to highlight the gray block under the questions. Make sure it's in red. So let's assume you answer all the questions. So go ahead and save the document. Save it to your desktop, for example. So click File, Save As. Write your name, let's say Jane Doe. Okay, so you already completed the syllabus questions and it's saved to your hard drive. Now what you need to do, go to section number 2 here, Assignment Submission. Click Browse My Computer. Look for your syllabus in your desktop since you saved it to your desktop. So this is, for example, Jane Doe syllabus questions online. Highlight it. Click Open. So now the document is attached to the folder. Then scroll down. You can write any comments you would like for me to be aware of. And then you can click Submission. Okay, and this will submit your assignments. After you submit your assignments, you can go to the grades and make sure that beside this assignment title, there be a green exclamation sign that indicate that the assignment was submitted successfully. This is just to show you how the green exclamation sign looks like. So you need to see this green exclamation sign beside your assignment in the gradebook. If you are done with the assignment number 1, you can work on assignment number 2. For assignment number 2, the way to submit is a little bit different. Again, what you need to do is to click on the title of the assignment. This will take you to the assignment window here. Again, start with the assignment information. So first thing, click here beside number 2. Click here to download the survey. So we'll click on that link here. Open the survey. For copyright purposes, many of the documents are protected, so you cannot type into the document, and the survey is one of them. The survey basically asks you to answer some questions, and all those questions are multiple choice. At the end, actually, you just need to complete this questionnaire. So what you need to do in order to answer those questions, you can write the answers on a scrap of paper. For example, number 1, let's say the answer is A, so you write 1A, and the answer to number 2 is C, 3, for example, B, and so on. So you have the answers written manually on a hard copy paper somewhere. So after you finish writing the answer, you can go back to the assignment folder, scroll down to add comments. So you'll skip number 2 here, assignment submission. We are not going to submit an electronic copy. What we'll do, we'll complete the answers under number 3, add comments. So let's say the answer to number 1, as we mentioned, A. Number 2, let's say the answer is C. Number 3, let's say the answer is B, and so on. So you'll complete the answers and then you'll click submit. After you submit any assignment, make sure to click on the grades. This is this tab here, and make sure that it has a green exclamation sign beside that specific assignment. This is just to get you to start on week number 1 assignment. Hopefully you find this video educational. Again, make sure to email me if you have any questions or concern. Thank you.